Hey family, it's Queen D and welcome to day 27 of our 30-day journey of deepening our relationship with God. Did you know that God restores the broken? This message is for anyone that feels like they have gone too far, that they are so broken, that they are too broken to be fixed. Let me remind you that God is not done. He is not finished with your life and He can restore you. Point number one, broken does not mean that you cannot be repaired. Psalms 34:18 says, "The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves the crushed in spirit." God doesn't avoid broken places. He draws near to them. In fact, in the crack is where the light shines the brightest. You're not disqualified. You are in the right position for healing. Point number two, restoration takes time, but it's a promise. Joel 2:25 says, "I will restore you to the years that the locusts have eaten." God restores time, strength, joy, and peace, even when you feel like too much is lost. God's promise is guaranteed to restore you. He is a master rebuilder. He restores better, not just back. Do you hear me? Point number three, your restoration will be a testimony. When God restores you, it won't be silent. It's just like the man in Mark 5 who had been living in tombs. Jesus healed him and he ran to the city to tell his story. He was excited to share his testimony with the world. Your scars will speak for you. Your healing will become someone else's hope. So if you are broken, tired, or ashamed, come to God with your scars and come as you are. God restores, He builds, He still redeems. Drop purple hearts in the comments if you're ready to be restored. This is day 27 and He is not done writing your story. Remember, in the comments, if you would like to share a testimony, feel free to drop them down below. If you would like to leave a prayer request, leave it down below and I'll pray alongside you for God's will to take place in your life. Look, we are so close to the end. I love you and there's nothing that you can do about it. Be blessed.